Hey everybody, I think I might have found the easiest way to set up autocompletion for Neovim. So let's just get right to it. If you've been using Neovim comp before, it is one that I love, but I've recently been trying out blink.cmp and it's really great so far from everything I've seen. And it's so simple to get started. So let's just try it out and I'll show you how easy it is. Okay, literally, you just go here. It's awesome. It supports LSP. It does fast things. It's got Rust. It does SIMD. It does everything. So it even checks the boxes of the by the ways that you can do, right? So then how do we install it? Okay, well, it says here, copy this in. Sweet. Let's put it in. Lua config plugins, and we'll go ahead and make a new one, completion Lua. We'll say return this, just like we've been doing before, and let's read through these options. So we don't need to say lazy false because that's fine. We'll leave the optional dependency for that right now, and we don't need those. Now what are we going to do here? We've got some options. I am a big fan of default. You should just learn what the default ones are. Help ins completion. It just tells you all the things that you need to know. Main thing is we're going to use Control N and Control P to go next to previous, and then Control Y for accept. If you want, you can do these other ones, but you're wrong. That's okay. We'll leave these because this is like nice highlights, and we'll leave this because I do have nerd fonts. And these are all the defaults anyway, so we don't even need to do this. I will turn on enable. I will enable this, and we don't need that. So this is literally everything we have. You could type this probably smaller if you wanted, but that's everything we needed to get this going. The only other thing it mentions here is it says, hey, you should make sure that when you install this, you tell your LSPs about these, the capabilities that we've got here. And that's pretty easy to do here. I'll show you quickly when we go to our LSP. We just go something like this. We put this here, local capabilities is this, and then we just say capabilities equals capabilities. Okay, so once we have that, we actually don't need this at all. This just says, hey, Lua LSP, I actually know how to do a bunch of stuff that you might not have known that I knew how to do, which is a long-winded way of saying basically capabilities are a way of communicating between LSPs and this. But that doesn't really matter. It's not the main point of the video. So anyways, we quit this. We open it. Now we've got these installing. They're installed. Awesome. So now what do? We open init Lua. Move down to the bottom of this or something, and we'll just start typing something, okay? Right, let's start typing something like vim, API nvim, buff. Oh, baby. We can even type nvim bus set lines like this, and it's got fuzzy matching. We press Control Y to accept it for yes, please. We open this up. Oh, it's got the autocomplete. It tells us where we are in our signature. It moves as we're typing, and then it's so amazing. We can just type all of these and then move forward like this. That's all you need to know. Control N and Control P to move up and down. Control N and Control P for next and previous. Control Y for accept and keep typing. There you go. That's it. That's all.